Hi, it's Peter here. Peter and Doxy sailing from New South Wales to Queensland. And today finds us at some markets, somewhere between Lammermoor and Yeppoon. It's a long weekend here at the moment, so just here to see what's what. And yeah, haven't managed to get to a market since I've been on this trip, so let's see, it's pretty busy. Let's see what they've got. I hate to say it, but like shops, markets seem to have the same stuff wherever you go as well, so yeah, the world's getting kind of bland in that respect. I've been kindly invited to go and join a group of people to watch the grand final NRL, and this is on the way. Having a whale of a time. Bit of sitting out here, drinking and eating, enjoying the view. And a bit of sitting in here, drinking, watching the football. Yeah, I guess I was enjoying myself too much last night to get around to putting a video up, so it's going to be one of those two days into one. So yeah, it is now Monday, which is a public holiday here in Queensland and in New South Wales. So no progress will be made today as far as outside influences. I'm talking engine things. So yeah, might just have a Potter day. Just for something to do, I've taken the fuel filter off the old engine and I've tipped it out into this bucket. And yeah, I mean, other than the bit of grit, seems to be okay. I was looking for water and I can't really see any trace of water in here. So yeah, unless I'm not looking for the right thing, but it seems pretty standard to me, so to my uneducated eye, so I might just stick that back together again. Once the filter's back in place, I need to do the pump here to basically bring the fuel back up to it. Obviously fill the filter, and what I'm looking for here basically is a bit of fuel to come out around that bolt at the top there, which I've loosened. It's quite a large filter, so it may take a while. Still low power and very hard to start, so nothing's changed. Right, so as I said the other day, I might attack these duck boards now. Pretty sure they're called duck boards, but anyway, if not, these things. So you can see the teak's gone all grey. So the first step's going to be to give that a bit of a wash with some special stuff and a scrubbing brush to try and bring back the wood again. The edges will have to be sanded and varnished. So yeah, looking forward to seeing this come back to life a bit more. Right, so looking at the underneath now, first I got to move all of these little rubber foot pads, if you like, so I can get at the wood behind them. So yeah, that'll be fun. Right, let's try and make this as painless as possible. There we go. All right, I got a better idea of catching them, but there we go. That's the process. Alright, now the smaller one from behind the wheel. Let's get these guys off. Not quite so many. Yeah, getting a bit of a collection happening here. I think I lost two only, basically through the screws being rusty, and I had to break the little rubber things off to get at them. So all good. All right, so that's them hosed down. Give them a good hard hose. I'll just get the other stuff mixed up now, and that would be this. Oh, also giving the cockpit a bit of a squirt out too while we've got the hose going. So yeah, amazing how much dust collects. Okay, bit of scrubbing. keeping water up to it because it's got to go and stay damp for at least 20 minutes or so before I hose it off again. But yeah, it's starting to come up. Different color already. It's nice. Just got to keep it damp while we wait the 20 minutes until I can squirt it off. It's pretty hot, so yeah, constantly just doing a little spray over it basically. But yeah, I can see colors coming up better. So yeah, okay, let's give this a go. Definitely got better color. Alright, well they will have to dry now for a while before I can do anything to them. I tend to think, well, I've got to sand them next anyway. Maybe tomorrow, who knows. That's the other one, into the sun, can't see it. Yeah, so next basically I thought I would sand the edges, the surround basically, which is varnished, as opposed to oiled. My thinking basically is that I will do that and then varnish first and then oil. I tend to think that once the varnish is dried and got a surface on it, it will repel any oil that I get in the wrong place. Yeah, that's my thinking. Maybe I should do some looking up on that. But yeah, so it'll be a project that goes over a few days definitely, while I wait for each successive coat to dry or sink in, depending whether it's oil or varnish. Well, I think that's probably the end of a day too. I think it'll be an early night tonight after a few drinks and watching the football and socialising last night. So yeah, just a quiet one I think. Watch a show and yeah, have some dinner. So tomorrow, hopefully, I will hear from Cape Coast Marine that we can get this engine on a truck and moving up in this direction, which would really be good. So I'm hoping that we get to that point, just to get some movement, some traction, something happening. At the moment I feel like I'm in no man's land. So anyway, it'll all happen, I'm sure. It's just until it starts, you're not quite sure when that'll be. So don't forget to comment if you feel it, and yeah, share it and like and subscribe if you haven't. Definitely more to come. This is Dawn Raider.